pizza, ఇంకా some gulab jamun, some pizza sauce and pasta sauce, and some mayonnaise. And we don't know what's the next item. I like pizza. Dry fruits mix. I like dry fruits. I like pistachio. I don't like pistachio. We're at the soap section. I can smell soaps. The girl there, she's cute. I mean, a baby. No, it's a baby. Cute little baby. And I think mom's going to take some soaps. Because we're in the soap thing. And we don't have so many soaps. So, yeah. Mom is by the paste. Colgate. Max. Oh my gosh. You just bumped into me. She just bumped into me. Hi, Mama. Hi, Mama. Hi, Mama. Yes. Peddle brush. Wala. Wow. Hold it. Brush. అమ్మా ఈ రెండు కొడితే ఇంకో రెండు ఇస్తారంట ఎక్స్ట్రా. కొద్ది బాగున్నాయి బ్లాక్ కలర్లో.
అది రేట్ ఎక్కువ పడుతుంది.
You buy two, get one free. Next item was you. So next.